Once again, welcome back to my YouTube channel as BBC World View. This time we talk about Mozambique. Venancio Moreland set up new party, and former presidential candidate Venancio Moreland has moved ahead with setting up the National Alliance for a Free and the Autonomous Mozambique and party according to a request submitted to the Ministry of Justice in Maputo on Thursday by his advisor. It has a legal deadline which is a minimum 30 days, a maximum of 60, and we hope that we can invite the press back to announce that the party is authorized by the public authority to do its work, said Venancio Moreland political advisor Denis Steven as he left the Ministry of Justice, Constitution and Religious Affairs where he submitted the application. And Anamlala is an expression in the local Macuya language from the province of Nampula in the northern Mozambique, meaning it will end or it is over, used by former presidential candidate Venancio Moreland during his election campaign and which also became popular during the protest he called to contest the result of the general election on 9 October. It was one of the issues that would not go away. There was even a buzz about the political path that engineer Venancio Moreland would eventually take. There was gossip about him returning to a certain party or the coalition or other, but we worked calmly and silently, said the Denis Stevan, and the ruling of the possibility of Moreland returning to one of the party of which he was the member. And Venancio Moreland new party explained his political advisor will be liberal, guided by the principle of democracy, legality, patriotism, and the peace. In a statement to journalists, Moreland political advisor ruled out of a possible rejection of the new party registration request in view of the proceeding opened by the public prosecutor office against the former presidential candidate after leading post-election protests in Mozambique. Venancio Moreland is not responsible for any destruction because at no time did he say that tomorrow is the day to destroy, sadly when assuring that the legal requirements for formalizing the request to form the party were met. We met these requirements and this is the result that must happen. Now, if there is a contamination in relation to the gossip that Venancio Moreland is responsible because there is a place that burned on a day that they call for demonstration, and then that will be a tremendous mistake. To even added, I hope you will enjoy this video. Like and subscribe my channel. Have a nice time. Goodbye.